how do I know which US embassy to put on my I-130 or I-129F? So when you are filling out an application for an I-130, you're starting a spouse petition process, or maybe you're doing an I-129F to start your fiance visa process, there's a spot on the form where it asks you how you intend to complete the process. And they ask you for the specific location of the US embassy or US consulate where you're going to be processing. So that can be a little bit confusing if you're not sure, which one to put. If you are doing an I-130, you have to further make a decision about whether it's going to be, you're going to adjust status inside the United States, or you're going to do it at a US embassy abroad, to actually complete your process. And that's actually a very important legal distinction. So if you have that question, which is not sort of tangentially related, definitely get a legal opinion on which way you should go, because otherwise you'll have to start over and do another I-130 to fix that problem typically. But if you're just trying to figure out, okay, I know that I'm doing this overseas, but I just don't know which one to pick. In most countries, there is usually only one US embassy or consulate location that actually processes all of the spouse visas or fiance visas, even if there are several locations in the country. So the easiest way to find out is just to Google the main US embassy page from a website in your country, the country of your citizenship, and then it will usually specify on there, if you click in through to the fiance visa or spouse visa, where the location is, because they don't actually do it in all of the locations. There's usually one specific place where they'll do all the fiance visas and all the spouse visas. So that's how you discover location. The good thing is, if you put in a location where they don't actually issue the type of visa you are looking for, we have always found, in cases we've seen where people have done that the government did actually just fix it for them and say, no, actually you're going here. So hopefully it gets fixed that way, but certainly that's a good way to start the process of figuring out where you would actually complete that process.